Good morning. Today chapter discuss about the powder and the granulation. Go to the slide. Contents. Powder and the granules. What are the heading they involved with the powder and the granules in the introduction, advantage and disadvantage, and the general method of preparation and the classification method of preparation of different powders and granules and the effervescent granules. Next, introduction. A pharmaceutical powder is a mixture of finely divided drugs or chemicals in a dry form meant for internal or external use. They may be crystalline or amorphous form. The particle size of a powder plays an important role and affect dissolution, absorption, and the therapeutic effectiveness of drugs. Advantage of powders can be used with both internally and externally, more stable than other dosage form. The flexibility of compounding and prescribing a specific quantity, less chance of incompatibility, rapid onset of action, easy to carry, large quantity also can be administered conveniently, more economical because no special equipment required for preparation. The advantage is specified, they can be both internally and externally used, more stable than other dosage form, and flexibility for compounding and prescribing the specific quantity, and the less chance for incompatibility, the rapid onset of action, easy to carry, large quantity also can be administered conveniently, more economical because no special equipment required for preparation. Next, disadvantage: the bitter taste, the nauseous and unpleasant taste drugs are prepared in the powder form. Deliquescence and hygroscopic drugs can not be dispensed in the powder form. Deliquescence and hygroscopic means the water content, the absorbed the water content that cannot be dispensed in the powder form. The drug which get affected by atmospheric are not suitable. Some drugs affect the atmospheric condition, not suitable for the powder formulation. Dispensing time they consume. This formulation only the dispensing the time they consume. Easily the dispensing the powder formation. Less quantity cannot be weighing conveniently on the dispensing balance. Sometimes the powder is a formulation, the less quantity dispensing the patient and the less quantity not weighing the conveniently dispensing balance. Next, general method of preparation of pharmaceutical powder. General method of preparation of pharmaceutical powders. It involves two steps: the process of reducing the particle size, the communications, the process of blending, communication of drugs. On a small scale, the pharmacists reduce the size of chemical substance by grinding with a mortar and a pestle. On a small scale, the pharmacists reduce the size of chemical substance by grinding with a mortar and a pestle. A finer grinding action is accomplished by using a mortar with a rough surface. The fine grinding action accomplished by using a mortar with a rough surface as a porcelain mortar, than one with a smooth surface, the glass mortar. Rough surface is used as a porcelain mortar, than one with a smooth surface is used as a glass mortar. The titration of communications. The grinding a drug in a mortar to reduce its size. The blending powders. When two or more powders, a substance are to be combined to form the uniform mixtures. It is best to reduce the particle size of each powders individually before weighing and the blending. Nothing but the two or more powder substance they combined to form uniform mixtures. The best reduce particle size of the each powder individually. Depending on the nature of the ingredients, the amount of powder and the equipment, and the powders may be blended by the spatialization, titration, sifting, and tumbling. Various methods of mixing of the powders and are called blended by the spatialization, the titration, the sifting, and the tumbling. Spatulation. Spatulation is a blending small and arm of the powders. Movement of a spatula through them a sheet of paper or ointment tie. It is not suitable for large quantity of powders or powders that contain potent substance because homogeneous blending is not as sudden as other methods. This is a spatulation. In the spatula used the small blending of the small amount of particles and the powders movement of spatula through the sheet paper of the ointment tiles. Titration. Then that means nothing but the titration. Titration may be employed both to communicate and to mix the powder. The simple admixture is decided without the vessel need for communication. The glass mortar is usually prepared. The glass mortar usually prepared for means the powders, the smooth powders, they usually the glass mortar in the rotation for the same rotation and the rotate for the minutes and the convert to the size reduction, the powder formation. Large particles they converted to the smaller particle size and the powder formation. Next, what is a geometrical dilution? What do you mean geometrical dilution? When a small amount of potent substance is to be mixed with a large amount of diluent. Small amount of potent drug with mixed with a large amount of diluents. This is a geometric dilution method used to ensure the uniform distribution of the potent drug. Used to ensure the uniform distribution of the potent drug. By this method, the potent drug is placed with an approximately equal volume of diluent in a mortar, is mixed thoroughly by titration. Now, the method potent drug they placed approximately equal volume of diluent in the mortar, mixed thoroughly by titration. Then a second portion of diluent equal volume to the mix is added by the titration repeated. The process continued by adding a equal volume of diluent to the powders mixers. The repeating this until all of this diluent is incorporated. Sifting. Powders may also be mixed by passing them through the sifter like those used in the kitchen to the sift flour. Sifting results the light and the fluffy product. The process is not acceptable for the incorporation of potent drugs into a dilute powders. Tumblings. The another method of mixing powder is a tumbling is a powder in a rotating chamber. Rotating chambers. The special small scale and large scale motorized powder blender mix. Motorized powder blender mix. Powders by tumbling them time consuming. Powder the tumbling them time consuming. Such blender are widely employed in industry as mixers that use the moisturized blades to blend powders in a large scale. See the slides, the diagram, the blenders for the single cone blenders, the double cone blenders. Next, the classification of powders. The bulk powders for external use, the bulk powders for internal use, the simple and the compound powder for internal use, the powder enclosed in the catches and the capsules, and the compressed powder, the tablets. The bulk powder of internal use. The rare mixture of finely divided drugs or chemicals in a dry form that may be intended for internal use or oral powders. Powder are dispensed bulk when the dose accuracy is not important. They contain several doses and supplied in wide-mouthed container non-potent substance like antacid in the laxatives. You see the container neutralize the stomach's acid, the fast, the fresh free. Bulk powder for external use. There are mixtures of finely divided non-potent drugs or chemicals in a dry form that may be intended for external use, available in the multi-dose testing powders. The types of testing powders, the insufflation, snuff, and the centrifugers. Testing powders. There are meant of external application to the same they applied in the very fine state of subdivision to avoid the local irritation. Medical for superficial skin infection, the surgical the body cavity and on wounds. The major ingredients including the talc, starch, and the kaolin, and the antiseptic, and the astringent, and the absorbents, and the antiperspirant, and the antispiritics. The dispensed in the sifter top container or aerosol container. See the powders, the candid powders. The insufflation, there are the medicated testing powder meant for introduction into the body cavity, such as nose, throat, ears, and vagina, with the help of the apparatus known as insufflators. This it fry the powder into a stream of finely divided particles all over the side of the application. The insufflation are used to provide local effect as in the treatment of ear, nose, throat infection. With the antibiotic to produce a systematic effect of drugs. Snuff, the finally divided solid dosage form medicament, which are the included into nostrils for its antiseptic, bronchodilator, and the decongestion action. Dentifrices, the tooth powders. The powder which are applied in the solid, the powder they applied for the fresh for cleaning surface of teeth. They contain the suitable detergent or soap, abrasive and flowers. The carbonate and the calcium sulfate and the carbonate chloride and the calcium sulfate and the magnesium sodium carbonate and the sodium Footarex in the hard soap 550 gram and the calcium carbonate 335 gram and the saccharin sodium 2 gram, the peppermint oil 4 ml. Simple and a compound powder the interact. The each individual dose is enclosed in a paper. Simple powder 1 ingredient, compound powder more than 1 ingredients. The minimum quantity of powders should be not less than 100 milligram. The simple powders contain only one ingredient, either the crystalline amorphous form. The aspirin 300 milligram is to make the powder and the send 6 doses. Compound powder, a compound powder has one or more ingredient which are mixed together, then divided into the desired number of individuals doses, which are the dispensed into the each powder papers. Food RX, the aspirin, the 300 milligrams, the paracetamol 150 milligram, caffeine 50 milligram, make powder and send 8 doses. Powder enclosed in catches. The catches are the solid unit dosage form. The decided are the mold from rice papers. They are made by the pouring the mixture of rice flour and water between the two hot and the polished and the rolling cylinders. The catches are used to the enclosed nauseous or disagreeable powders and are available in the different size from the 0.2 to 1.5 gram of powders. Softened by dipping in water for a few seconds and then placed on the tongue and swallowed with a draught of waters. See the catches, the upper part of the rice powder, they enclose the upper part of the rice powder, the center part of the drug, then enter these drugs and they put in the mouth and the rice powder is disintegrates in the fastly and after take the tablets. The product environment and the degradation of the tablets and master cannot affecting the donors master cannot affecting the product, but better taste and mask the better taste the products. Next, types of catches: wet seal catches and the dry seal catches, made up to the two similar convex shelves having the flat edges. The powder is placed in one half and the second half is placed on it, and the edges are moistened with water and pressed to seal. Dry seal catches, the two halves, upper and lower, where the diameter of the upper half is slightly larger than lower half. The powder is filled in the lower half and the upper half is placed on it and pressed for the sealing using the machines. Tablet titrates. The powder is molded into tablets, flat and circular disc shaped, usually containing a potent substance, which is mixed with the lactose, dextrose, other diluents. The molds consist of the upper perforated plate and lower plate having the bridges. This is the lower plate of bridges and the upper plate of percolated plates. They enter the powders and they fit the tablet titrates. The preparation of tablet titrates, the solid medicament along with the dilute or powdered are converted into a stiff paste using the 6% of alcohol. Paste is pressed onto the upper percolated plate using the spatula placed onto the lower plate. The little pressure is applied over the top plate to move downward, leaving the mold tablets on the projected pixels, which make to the eject the tablets. Powders involving the speed problem. Powders involving the vessel problem. Volatile substance, the hygroscopy and deliquescent powders, efflorescent powders, eutectic powders, the liqueurs, and the explosive powders, potent powders. Volatile substance. Vegetable drugs contain volatile oils. They prevent the loss. The vegetable drugs must be powdered slightly. The volatilization of menthol, camphor, essential oils may happen on incorporation. The volatile oils means in the atmospheric condition they evaporate for the room temperature for the volatile oils. The flavor for aroma odors for the flowers condition. The specific for the volatile oil substance. The solution. This is prevented or minimized by the double wrapping. Volatile substance. The solution is prevent or minimize the double wrapping. The inner wrapper may be of wax paper. The outer wrapper may be the thick papers. See the diagram. The inner paper is wax paper. Outer paper may be thick papers. Hygroscopy and deliquescent substance. Hygroscopy absorb the moistures. The deliquescents absorb the moisture, become liquids. The hygroscopy means absorb moisture. Moisture content absorbs, and the deliquescents absorb the moisture and becomes liquids. Ammonium chloride and the phenolphthalein, the sodium bromide and the sodium iodide, potassium citric, zinc chloride and zinc chloride. And the solution, the prepare in the granules formation should not be finally powdered. A double wrapping, the humid weather further wrapping the plastic paper or aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. Further wrapping the plastic paper and the aluminum foil. Efflorescent powders. Some crystalline substance liberate water of crystallization on exposure to humid atmosphere that during the titration become wet or liquefy. Caffeine and citric acid and the ferrous sulfate. Using the corresponding ungated salt. Use of inert substance by mixing before incorporating with other ingredients. Eutectic powders. When two or more substances are mixed together into formation of new compound which has a lower melting point than the rate of temperature. Menthol, thymol, camphor, and aspirin, phenazidine. The solution, two methods. They dispense a separate set of powders with the direction that one set shall be taken as a dose. The use of inert substance like the magnesium carbonate to be mixed gently. Liquids. Sometimes liquids medicament are to be incorporated in powders. Small quantity mixed the powder ingredient in the formula. The large quantity absorbent. The liquid extract and tinctures evaporate to concentrated mass. Absorbent is added and again subjected to evaporation. Explosive powders. When a oxidizing substance like potassium chloride with a reducing substance, such as the tannic, is a chance of violent explosion. As per the possible prescription should not be dispensed. Powder each ingredient separately in a mortar and mix them lightly. Powder each ingredient separately and dispense them separate powder paper in the suitable direction. Potent drugs. This is the substance having the maximum dose of the less than 10 milligram poisonous substance. The small quantity of potent drugs should not be weighed or dispensing balance. Solution, geometric dilution method. The diluent like the lactose is added to potent drug to make weighable quantity. Drug is titrated and mixed with the equal quantity of diluent followed by titration. Remaining quantity is incorporated in a successive portion with the throughout the titration. Granules. The granules are aggregate of fine particle of powder in a mass of the about the spherical shape. They see the diagram, the granules. The granules is aggregate fine particles of powders in a mass of about spherical shape. They prepare for the solid which are to be administered orally in a large quantity. They prepare for solid which are administered orally in a large quantity. They cannot be prepared as tablet or capsule because a large dose. Cannot be prepared as tablet capsule because of a large dose. They're difficult to dispense in powders form because of bitter and nausea taste. Difficult to convert into liquid because of stability problem. That means the granules, they're difficult to dispense for the powder form, then bitter and nausea taste. difficult to convert the liquid because of stability problem. Next, method of preparation of granules. Drug is mixed with the sweetening agent and the coloring agent and the granulating agent mixed with the suitable solvents ordered to get a dumb masses. Pass through sieve number 10 to make a granules. Trying at the 60 degrees centigrade in a hot air oven, the dried granules are passed through the sieves number 20, stored in a dry, well closed, wide mouth containers. Nowadays, the antibiotics in granules form for recommendation. Everosant granules. Everosant granules are coarse to very coarse, containing a medicinal agent in a dry mixture, usually composed of sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and the tartaric acid. When added to water, the acid, the base react to the liberate carbon dioxide, resulting in the effervescence. The resulting carbonate solution masks the undesirable taste of medicinal agents. The effervescent tablets and the granules are intended to be the dissolved water before use. That being the example of the effervescent granules, they put it in the water and they liberate the carbon dioxide, effervescence, and use it for the dissolved in the water before use. The powder is dissolved in the water before and use, liberate for the carbon dioxide gas. Preparation. Effervescent granules are prepared two general methods: the dry or fusion method and the wet methods. Come to wet methods. The source of the binding agent is not water of crystallization form. Source of binding agent is not water crystallization from the citric acid, but the water added the masses of powder or moistening agents. In this method, all powder may be under unhydrated as long as water is added to the moistening agents. Just enough the liquid added to prepare the mass proper consistency, then granules are prepared and dried. Heat or fusion methods. In fusion methods, the one molecule of water in each molecule of citric acid act as the binding agent for the powders mixtures. Before mixing the powder, the citric acid crystal are powdered and then mixed with the other powder of same size to ensure the uniformity of the mixtures. After mixing, the powder is placed in a oven 34 to 40 degrees centigrade. Sodium carbonate, citric acid react in the liberate in the water and the carbon dioxide and the sodium citrate. Heating has the release of powder, a crystallization the citric acid, causing the softening of powder. When it reached the proper consistency is removed from the oven, the rubbed through the sieve produce a large granules. The sieve 4 produce a large granules. Sieve 8 produce a medium size granules. Sieve 10 produce a small size granules. The dry at the 50 degrees centigrade and then transfer into airtight container. Once the next the discussion, the revision for the some summary of these chapters. Powders, what define powders and classification of powders and method of preparation of powders and advantage and disadvantage of powders and method of powders and go to classification of powders. And the bulk powders is internal use and the bulk powder for external use. Simple and the compound powder for internal use and the powder enclosed in the catches and the capsules, compressed powder tablets. Next, go to the revision. The bulk powder means internal use means the mixture of finely divided and drug is chemical dry form that is intended for internal use. The oral powder dispense bulk when the dose accuracy is not importance contains several dosage form. Next, in the bulk powders in external use, the testing powder, the insufflation, snuff, and the dentifricer, and the some testing powder is a starch in the kaolin and antiseptic, astringent, absorbent, and antiperspirant, antibiotic, antibiotic dispensed in the shifter top container and aerosol container. And then insufflation with this medical testing powder meant for intended into the body cavities such as nose, throat, ears, and vagina. With the help of the apparatus known as insufflator, they sprayed the powder into a stream of finely divided and the particles all over the side of the supplement. With the help of the insufflators, with the help of the insufflators for the see the diagram and the insufflator, the used for the insufflator. Some of the container is with the help of the insufflator inside the container is used for the inside them. Some of the vaginal insufflation also used with the insulator and the help of the vaginal powders they insert for the with the help of the insulators. Snuff nothing but the finally solid dosage medicament which is inhaled in the nostril for the inhaled in the antiseptic in the bronchodilators and decongestion action. And dentifrice is the most important ones in the tooth powders. The what I mean tooth powder, the powders is regularly used. Every person is using the tooth powder and the toothpaste, and the powder is applied into the teeth and the brush of the cleaning the surface of the teeth. They contain suitable detergent, soap, and the abrasive and the flowers. What are the content present in the powders and the tooth powders and the suitable detergent or soap and the abrasive and the flowers and the carbonate chloride and sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, and the magnesium sodium carbonate and the sodium. The hard soap in the 50 gram, the sodium carbonate 35 gram, and the saccharin sodium 2 gram, the peppermint oil 4 ml. And then nothing but is a simple and compound powders for internals, and each individual is enclosed in a paper. In the simple powder 1 ingredients and the compound powder more than one ingredients. The minimum quantity of a powder should be less than 100 milligram. This means the simple powders, the minimum quantity of powder less than 100 milligram. Simple powders contain only one ingredient, either in crystalline or amorphous form. Single powder means the only one ingredients are either crystalline form or any other amorphous forms present. Here, put the RX in the aspirin, the 300 milligram, and they make the powder and send 6 doses. Compound powder. Compound powder is one or more ingredient which are mixed together, then divided into the decided number of the individuals, and the dose which are the dispensed into each powdered peppers in the aspirin 300 milligram, the paracetamol 150 milligram, the caffeine 50 milligram, make the powder and send 6 to 8 doses. The powders enclose the catches. They were nothing but the catches. They only have one of the catches is the upper part of the present in the rice powder, and the inner part of the center of the inner part of the drug content, the present the drug content the tablets. And the catches are the solid unit doses from the desired and are molded from rice paper. And this is are made by the pouring a mixture of rice flour and water between the two hot and the polished and the revolving cylinders. The catches are used to enclose measures of disagreeable powders and are available in different size from the 0.2 to 1.5 gram of powders. Softening by dipping water for a few seconds and then placed on the tongue and swallowed with a draught of waters. Types of catches in the types of catches, the preparation method of the types of catches, the wet seal catches and the dry seal catches. They made up of two similar convex cables having the flat edges, having the flat edges. They have the powders is placed in one cup. Second half is placed on it, and the edges are moistened with water that pressed to seal. Tri-seal method. Tri-seal catches the two halves, upper and lower, where the diameter of the upper half is slightly larger than lower half. The powder is filled in the lower half. The upper half is placed on it and pressed for the sealing using the machines. Tablet titrates in the powders in modulated into the tablets in the flat circular basic disc paste shaped phase usually contain the potent substance mixed with the lactose, taxose, other diluent. The mold of consists of the upper percolator plate and lower plate covering the edges, wedges. Preparation of tablet titration, the solid medicament along with the dilute or powdered and converted into a stiff paste and 60% of alcohol. The paste is pressed onto the upper percolated plate using the spatula and placed onto the lower plate. A little press is applied over the top plate to move it downward, leaving the mold tablets and the projected backcase which wait to eject the tablets. Powders involving the special problems, the volatile substance and the substance hydroxyl deliquescent powders and the efflorescent powders, the adiabatic mixture, the liquid and explosive powders, and the potent powders. The student is revision for the powders.